I'm gonna get called a fat ass because I already ate fucking Hawaiian this week. I literally ate Hawaiian pizza yesterday.
You have more toppings fall off just so people comment about it.
Yeah. I'm gonna fall off.
Oh my god. I have to rinse this. Oh, jeez. Time to carve this on my lap.
Yes. Pepperoni. So good. It's like creamy-ish on the inside. You gotta eat it. I eat your way first.